Okay, so for question number 6, it says each 5th grade class at Fraser Elementary planted a garden. The table shows the length and feet of each garden. So we have our garden lengths, we have our class, and we have the length and feet. So class A was 7 and 85 hundredths. Class B was 7 and 478 thousandths. Class C was 4 and 81 thousandths. And Class D was 7 and 49 hundredths. Mrs. Rivera listed the garden lengths in order from least to greatest. Which garden will Mrs. Rivera list fourth? Choose the correct answer and write it in the blank below. So some information that we want to take note of is the fact that we're ordering from least to greatest. And anytime we are ordering numbers, we want, especially numbers involving decimals, we want to line up those decimals. So over here on the side, I'm going to go ahead and make a very neat chart. And it's going to be like a T-chart. I'm going down my line, I'm going to make some decimal points. I'm actually going to make 4 decimal points. And so for the first one, we have 7 and 85 hundredths. That's going to be letter A. B is 7 and 478 thousandths. 7 and 81 thousandths. And 7 and 49 hundredths would be D. Now that we've got these digits lined up, we are going to look at the very beginning digits, and so we see that the 7s are all the same. And so in order to order these from least to greatest, we're looking for that smallest digit. So looking for that smallest number would first be C. So I'm going to rewrite C in the first position, and that is 7 and 81 hundredths. And again, the first one would be letter C. Then I'm going to go ahead and cross through that, looking at those numbers again. I have 4, 7 and 4, 9. 4, 7 is less than 4, 9. So that's going to be D. D is going to be in my second position. And that number is 7 and 40. Oh, I'm sorry. 9 is greater than the 7. So I must have made a mistake there. So that's going to be 7 and 478 thousandths, and that's going to be B. So sorry, I almost messed that up. And I'm going to cross that one off, and then 7 and 49 hundredths would be next, and that's D. That's going to be in the third spot. And then finally we have our fourth spot, and we have the 8. The 8 is the largest. The 8 is in the 10th place. It's the largest, and that's going to be letter A. Okay, so now that we have these ordered from least to greatest, and I'm going to go back and make sure that I didn't make any other mistakes. And 7 and 0, 7 and 4, 7 and 4, 7 and 8. 4, 7 is less than 4, 9. Yes, that does look correct. Okay, make sure you go back and put the correct class in their 4th position.